Happy Sunday, you guys. Second week of the vlog is starting out today. We are outside. We are filming for Cue the Confetti. Gentry is working really hard right now, cleaning the table. This is after our latest lesson, let's see, with some shaving cream. It smells wonderful. We got a good little fun lesson out of it.
We're shaving the table.
We're shaving the table. We got a good activity out of it, and it's twofer because not only does Gentry get to have fun, but we're cleaning the patio. It's clean fun, Gentry says. We're cleaning the patio table from all the dust and junk from the year of winter. It's spring now. We can maybe eat dinner out here tonight. That would be fun.
What are we having for dinner?
I think tonight's chicken spaghetti.
I like spaghetti without the chicken.
But you like chicken spaghetti. You ate it last time, didn't you?
Mommy,
Yes.
every time there was chicken spaghetti, I wouldn't eat it.
Okay. Do y'all have kids that love to eat your food too? Gentry's still outside playing. I've come inside. Sometimes with the videos that we do lessons in, it looks like I'm with her the whole time, and I'm absolutely not. Let her play, let her explore without my guidance. Specifically for me, I tend to take over, and if you're a parent who takes over, it's okay to walk away and let your kid do things by themselves.
So now you've got the improved procedures to facilitate registration process during the COVID-19 outbreak period.
We're ready to video our next video, but work at home problems, right? Don't know why he's got to be on speakerphone for this though.
Yep.
I would just like to take a moment to publicly apologize to my now deceased grandmother for turning my nose up at the pimento cheese sandwiches that she would make me. I now know how good pimento cheese is thanks to Nukes, which I am missing. It does not exist in Oklahoma. Nukes has a toasted pimento cheese with tomato sandwich. It doesn't look anything like this, it's the bomb, but I did copy the recipe, and here it goes. I'll post it. Just look for it on the next slide. It is delicious. You won't be sad. If you're a Southern girl, you already know about these things when you have baby showers and stuff like that. Pimento cheese is the bomb. Come look. There are turkeys in our backyard. You see the turkeys?
There's none.
April Fools! Did you know it's April Fool's Day?
Yeah.
You did?
Can I go switch the thing to April? The calendar?
You didn't even believe me in the turkeys?
I go there. And I was like, wait, we're not farmers. Welcome to the town of Meep City. This name is, I forgot her name, but this is not a calico critter. Her name, I like her name to be Moon and Stars. So first we have beds for the kids that can sleep in here. And then up here are for the big kids, me. And I stay up here in the tree top. Next, we have the cat's house. See, cat, cat, cat. Then they have their baby lion.
Have you been watching Tiger King?
No. So first we got the baby bed up here for the lion.
Aww.
Then we got a chair. Then we got the dining table. We got a bed for us. Then we got upstairs. And then there's nothing upstairs. And that's it. Next we have the dog, cat, and pig house.
Oh.
We got a piggy, which is their baby. We got the mommy, which is the doggy. Then we got the cat, which is the father. We got the dining table, a couch and a chair. Then up here we got a bathroom. And then we got a table, set for the baby, a rocking chair, and a bed. And that's it.
I love it. So are you gonna play while I make lunch?
Yeah.
It's Wednesday and I just finished restocking the fridge. Everybody's dealing with this coronavirus in different ways, and this is how we're doing it. We actually don't usually have soda in our house, so it's a treat for when we go like out to eat or like on a Friday. We got all the Dr. Pepper and the root beer. Hi guys! This is my crazy messy pantry. Gentry's gonna start picking out things. We're gonna do the good old Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookie recipe, and Gentry wants to pick out all the ingredients. So we're gonna let her. It's a good skill to have. Baking. It's hair day. That's why the hair's up in a messy dip bun. We'll take care of that later. What are you getting first, Gentry?
Baking soda.
All the baking stuff is straight back. See, it's a mess. You're gonna have to actually move things. Get the vanilla extract. We're using Haitian vanilla.
Yes. Yeah.
And we need 2 large eggs.
Large eggs. I can get that.
We need softened butter,
Soft butter.
but we don't have any, so I'm going to do a little trick to soften this butter. I'm gonna use a tea kettle.
That's how you soften butter?
Usually you just let it sit out, but we didn't. So I'm
Yeah.
gonna boil some water in our tea kettle. So how we're gonna soften the butter?
Where is the flour on
Okay.
4 cups?
I'm gonna stick hot water in this metal bowl.
I know that.
Read the recipe. The recipe calls for 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So if that's 1 cup, how many times are you going to fill it up with flour?
2?
Yes, and I have the 1/4 cup here, and I'm going to show you with the 1/4 cup what your 2 cups should look like. You're going to scoop, and you're going to put it to the side like this, and make sure it's all full. See how it's flat? It doesn't need to be a mound, it needs to be all full. Give me the rest.
There's a lot of gas.
Softened butter.
Is this good enough? I did this.
No, it has to be completely full or a recipe will not come out right.
1 tablespoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon.
That's the biggie.
Yep, this is 1 tablespoon.
Here's our little baking soda.
Next, we need 1, 2.
Hold on, because we gotta read this down here. The small bunk of baking salt. Done. Beat butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar and vanilla extract until creamy. Here's our butter. We put it in I put hot water in there, dumped the hot water, put the butter in, and it's now creamy, or softened. Okay, now we gotta cream all that together.
I will put the down. That good?
Put it down. And then you're gonna start on the littlest number. You're just gonna do it one. We had to stop and clean up our mess, but now we're ready to fold in the chocolate chips.
Yeah.
So you're not touching the cookie at all. Good job.
Go. Go on. This is not your home, on the tray.
There you go. You did it. You did it. So
Our cookies are burnt.
our first batch of cookies are done. You want to see them?
They're the cookies.
Here are the cookies. Ginger says they don't look that bad, honestly. They're pretty brown. Put them on a cooling rack and see what happens. And go for round 2. For less time, I just turned down the oven too. Much better. Those look good. I can deal with that. Delicious. Hi guys, it's Friday and it is freezing here in Oklahoma, like in the 30s, 40s. I don't know if it's even made it to the 40s. When I woke up this morning, it was 32 degrees and I'd already turned off my heat for a whole week, saved that money. What you hear running now is the fan, but I'm gonna have to do it. It's getting to be 60 degrees in this house. 60 degrees in the house. Gonna have to put that heat on. Can't do it no more. It's too cold. My husband is of course working at home right now and he always keeps his room like hotter at all parts of the year than any other room in the house. He has his own heater. So it's like a sauna in there, but the rest of the house is freezing. So on Fridays we film for the entire week. That way I only have to put makeup on one time. I'm not a makeup person. So we've just finished filming for Easter week, which is really exciting. But it looks really yucky outside. Just blah. More wintry than it is spring. So yeah, Fridays, TGIF. Happy Saturday, y'all. Noon in Oklahoma. Every Saturday. It goes on for 3 minutes. I won't make you do it. Another week down. I did take a shower today. I guess that marks my weeks now. It's one shower. I feel like we're just getting started with this whole self-isolation, self-quarantine, all the verbiage. We're home, we're healthy, we are praying for you, family and friends. We hope that you are okay. Overall, we're okay. It's starting to week 3. Gentry starts school on Monday, so that's good. So for my Texas friends, we've been out of school since spring break with no online learning, but that ends tomorrow. So maybe that'll bring some structure back to our family. Probably not. We're not structured people. This is really more of a video time capsule of sort for our family so we can see what we did during this COVID crisis. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I will see you again later.